And your workload is by opening a task from your task list, adding an estimation line to assign it to the right user. The task will automatically adjust its duration according to the user's capacity. Create a task directly by clicking on the timeline. Specify how many hours per day the user plans to spend on this task. This user is only assigned 2 hours per day, so you can schedule another task for them since their capacity isn't fully booked. If you add a total estimation for a task, Planyway will automatically calculate the total effort and highlight any overages in red. This team member is overloaded. It means you need to decompose. Also allows you to balance the workload for each iteration. Simply enable the sprint lane, add the whole team, and set up showing tasks based on their sprint dates. Connect them all in Planyway to ensure that workload across all projects is visible and prevent overlaps.